Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to do a highlighted drop down. Now to do the highlighted drop down, first I will come here and type search, search, then I'll give it a background of green, then I'll make the font white, and I'll make it bold, increase the font size, then let's say I'll align right, then C and D I would merge. Then the data here, we have the names of employees, the building in which they find themselves in, the departments, and their status of work, either they are full-time, part-time, contract, hourly workers, half-time workers, and we need to extract a unique list of this. So I can just come here, I'll say equal to unique equals, come here, press Ctrl Shift down arrow, and then I complete it over here and say, so we have a unique list of the work here. I'll highlight it, Ctrl C, then I'll paste and copy and paste values onto itself. Okay, so over here now I'm fixing the drop downs. To fixing the drop downs, you will just go to data. As data, you choose data validation. You come here, then but before you do that, you must have clicked inside this cell. Then you come to lists. At lists, we use this one, the unique list over here. Then we say okay. So that way we know that we have our drop downs working over here, right? Then the next thing to do is to start the highlighted drop downs. Now we will first hold the Ctrl and Shift key, press the right arrow key for it to highlight the whole row. With Ctrl and Shift key held, press the down arrow to select everything, the whole table. Then we go to home. At home we choose conditional formatting, then we select new rule. After selecting new rule, you choose use a formula to determine which cell to be formatted, which cell to format. Then over there you say equals, then you will choose only the first cell. You know what we want to do is, we have the drop downs over here, and we want to compare the drop down here, what will come here, with what will be in this column, right? So you click just the first cell over here. Mind you, this whole place is highlighted. Now we only want to compare it with what's in the column, and we want it to be able to shift through the rows. So this is actually row 5, and we don't want to lock it at row 5, so we'll remove the dollar sign here, and we are saying that we want it to be equal to whatever is here, right? And then here, it's a drop down, so you can change. And then what we'll do next is to choose a format color such that if it's equal, it should bring out a certain color. So we say format, then we'll choose fill. At fill, we'll choose a nice color. I like purple, so I've chosen purple. Then I say okay. Then we have the purple over here. Then we choose okay over here. So now what we'll do now is to test it to see if it's working. So we come here and we choose contracts. Then you see that all the contracts are showing. Right, let me make this work a little bit clear. So you can see contracts is showing. Let me choose half-time. Half-times are showing. Very simple and very easy. Let me choose the last one here. Let me choose some hourly. Then we have hourly showing in the work. So that's how it's done. Thank you very much.